Can a computer outcook grandma? It's a question as old as time itself. Well, maybe not that old. But with technology taking over, even our kitchens are fair game. Picture this: Grandma, armed with her trusty wooden spoon, facing off against a state-of-the-art AI chef, all sleek lines and holographic projections. Who will win this culinary clash of titans? Let's find out. Imagine stepping into Grandma's kitchen. Warm, inviting, filled with the aroma of years of delicious meals. The wooden cabinets, worn from decades of use, hold secrets of recipes passed down through generations. The cozy atmosphere wraps around you like a comforting blanket, making you feel right at home. Sunlight streams through the window, painting everything in a cozy golden glow. The light dances on the countertops, illuminating the space with a natural warmth that only the sun can provide. It's a scene that feels almost magical, as if time slows down in this serene kitchen. Copper pots gleam from their hooks, each one whispering stories of countless family feasts. These pots have seen it all, from holiday dinners to everyday meals, each one prepared with love and care. The clinking of utensils and the sizzle of food cooking create a symphony of sounds that is music to the ears. Now picture a modern culinary lab. Polished steel countertops gleam under cool white lights. The sleek design and state-of-the-art appliances make it look like a chef's paradise. Everything is meticulously organized, ready for the next culinary creation. A voice-activated oven stands ready, its digital display a stark contrast to Grandma's vintage stove. With just a simple command, it can preheat, bake, and even suggest recipes. This kitchen is a testament to how far technology has come, making cooking more efficient and precise. It's a battle of tradition versus technology, and the stakes have never been higher. Will the time-honored methods of the past hold their ground against the cutting-edge innovations of today? This culinary showdown promises to be a thrilling clash of old and new, where every dish tells a story and every technique is put to the ultimate test.
My grocery list? Just a jumble of handwritten notes tucked into my purse. I navigate the farmer's market with ease. Squeeze the avocados, sniff the ripe tomatoes, and chat with the vendors like old friends. Each ingredient chosen with care.
And the AI chef? A completely different story. Armed with nutritional data and online reviews, the AI compiles a digital shopping cart. No need for human interaction, just precise algorithms and efficient delivery.
Who knew grocery shopping could be so different? Section 4. Cooking in contrast, timeless touch versus programmed precision. Now the real fun begins. Grandma chops vegetables with practiced ease, her knife moving with the rhythm of years spent perfecting her craft. Each slice is a testament to her years of experience, a dance of precision and intuition. Her hands move almost automatically, guided by muscle memory and a deep understanding of her ingredients. She adds a pinch of this, a dash of that, relying on instinct and experience rather than strict measurements. Her cooking is an art form, a blend of tradition and personal flair. The spices she uses are not just ingredients but stories passed down through generations. The air fills with the sizzle of onions hitting hot oil, a symphony of comforting kitchen sounds. It's a sensory experience, the aroma of caramelizing onions mingling with the warmth of the kitchen, creating an inviting atmosphere that speaks of home and comfort. Meanwhile, the AI chef follows its pre-programmed recipe to the letter. Every step is calculated, every action precise. The machine operates with a level of consistency that is both impressive and slightly uncanny. Precise measurements, exact cooking times, and not a single ingredient out of place. The AI chef ensures that every dish is identical, a perfect replica of the recipe it was programmed to follow. There's no room for error, no deviation from the plan. It's efficiency at its finest, a testament to the power of technology in the kitchen. The modern gadgets and automated processes promise a future where cooking is streamlined and effortless. Yet it raises the question, can technology ever truly replicate the soul and warmth of a meal cooked by hand? Please like and subscribe for more culinary showdowns. Section 5. The Blind Side of Taste, a Battle of the Bites. In this culinary arena, tradition clashes with technology in a showdown that promises to tantalize the taste buds and challenge the very essence of cooking. The moment of truth has arrived. The air is thick with anticipation as the judges prepare to make their decision. Two plates, identical in every way, sit on the table. Each one meticulously crafted to perfection, leaving no room for error. One holds Grandma's dish, a testament to generations of culinary wisdom. This dish carries the warmth and love of countless family gatherings, each bite a nostalgic journey. The other showcases the AI chef's creation, a perfect execution of a digitally optimized recipe. Precision and innovation are at the heart of this dish, representing the future of gastronomy. A blindfolded judge enters, ready to determine the winner of this epic culinary showdown. The tension is palpable. The audience watches in silence, their eyes fixed on the judge's every move. Each bite is savored, analyzed, and compared. The judge's face reveals nothing, adding to the suspense. Every flavor, texture, and aroma is meticulously noted. Will it be Grandma's time-tested recipe that wins the day, or will the AI chef's modern approach reign supreme? The decision is more than just about taste. It's a clash of eras and philosophies.
The flavors are incredibly rich and well-balanced. Each ingredient sings in harmony, creating a symphony of taste that dances on the palate. This dish speaks to the soul. It's more than just food, it's an experience, a connection to something deeper and more meaningful.
Wow, the precision in this dish is remarkable. Every element is in its place, creating a visual and culinary masterpiece. Every bite is exactly the same, and it's just perfect. Consistency and perfection are the hallmarks of this creation.
It's so hard to choose. Both dishes offer something unique and extraordinary, making the decision incredibly challenging. Both dishes have their own unique qualities that make them stand out. In the end, it's not just about the food, but the stories, the memories, and the innovation they represent.
Section 6. A verdict served warm, tradition and technology in harmony. The verdict? It's a tie. Grandma's dish, bursting with love and seasoned with generations of stories, earns praise for its depth of flavor and heartwarming nostalgia. The AI chef's creation, perfectly executed and visually stunning, impresses with its precision and modern flair. It's clear that both tradition and technology have a place at the table. Grandma's intuitive cooking and the AI chef's technological prowess prove to be a delicious combination. Section 7. A taste of the future, your turn to judge. So, can AI outcook Grandma? The answer, it seems, is more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Both approaches have their strengths, and the real winner is the one lucky enough to enjoy the fruits or vegetables of their labor. Why not try both recipes yourself and see which one wins your heart and stomach? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more culinary adventures.